What looks like a cosmic landscape of glowing orbs and flowing streams is actually happening inside your throat right now. These brilliant blue spheres, surrounded by seas of cyan and green, reveal a world where your immune system is constantly at work, protecting you every moment of every day. Your tonsils are buzzing with activity. Those blue orbs you see are called germinal centers. Think of them as training grounds where immune cells gather to become better defenders. Inside each sphere, B cells, your antibody-producing champions, are multiplying and competing to become the best protectors they can be. They're not alone in this process. See those green helper cells on the left of the orb and distributed throughout? They're like personal trainers, guiding the B cells to reach their full potential. And those distinctive red cells branching between blue, multiplying B cells. They are concentrating antigens, giving B cells a chance to find what they are looking for. What we're witnessing is immune activation in full display. Each color reveals a different type of immune cell working in concert. The blues marking B cells, yellow and green highlighting helper cells, and that wavy fuchsia showing the blood vessels that support and nourish the tonsil itself. This intricate dance of cells represents your body's sophisticated defense system. Here, immune cells learn to guard against pathogens, prevent autoimmune diseases, and even fight cancer. It's a testament to the remarkable complexity that keeps us healthy, captured through advanced imaging that lets us peek into this normally invisible world.